Hello everyone, this is the fourth question of the CSES problem set and it is named as increasing array. So here we have to make each element as at least as large as the previous element. So let me explain you this with the test case. So for example, this is the test case here. So since 3 is 2 is not as large as 3, the previous element for 2 is 3. So to make it as large as 3, we only have addition operation. So we will take one operation and change this 2 to 3. Okay. Now the next element we are having is 5 and 5 is already greater than 3. So no need to apply any operation here. Now next element is 1 and for 1 the previous element is 5. So to make it as large as its previous element we need to add 4. So this will become 5 here and the last element is 7 and 5 is smaller than 7. This 5 is smaller than 7, so no need to change anything. So the total or number of operations required are 5 and that is our output here. So what we did here was if if the for example, let me rewrite it. So if I, and let me say this as I minus 1. So if I is greater than I minus 1, greater than or equal to, then we just simply ignore this. And if I is less than I minus 1, so we can simply add uh, A of I minus 1 minus A of I as to the our total number of operations. So this is the simple algorithm working here, and let's just code for this. So first we will take the input and let me take input in an array. uh, okay, so since x can be as large as 10 to the power 9, so we will prefer to take long here, and for auto and I in A, C in I, and long operations required. Currently the operations is 0, and for int I is equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, if A of I minus A of I minus 1. So we don't have to do anything. Sorry, is less than is greater than equal to, we don't need to do anything, and else we need to add ops plus is equals to A of I minus 1 minus A of I, and like simply see out ops and let's check this. Okay, so it's giving me the wrong answer. Let me check why. 2 and I in A, operations I less than n, I plus plus, if A of I is less than, okay, so this is the updated test case, that's why the output is 0. Let me give the correct test case here. Yeah, so we are getting output as 5. Let me upload this and check if it is working on other test cases as well. Okay, so we are getting wrong answer for some codes. So I found the error, and it's that once I counted the moves, I need to update it as well, like we were doing here. So after that I need to make A of I as A of I minus 1, since else it will create error for the next guys. So this was a slight mistake here. Now let me re-upload it. Yeah, it got accepted. So that's it for today. Thank you.